Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I actually just got back from the gym and I'm just so happy that gyms have opened. At least the one in my society has opened up right now, so I'm happy. Okay, so I just came back and I was about to just do like a quick skincare routine before I get started with my day. I have a really long day ahead. I have to shoot a bunch of things. I also have to finish editing some things. So I actually don't have a lot of time to do like my skincare and makeup and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly like a two-step regime that I do for my face when I am in the need to like really get ready ASAP and get started with my work. So yeah, let's go. So basically on the days that I don't have the bandwidth and the strength to do like a complete skincare routine, I like using the L'Oreal Paris Crystal range. This is something I like doing because I'm like honestly running late. So the first thing I use is this new L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Purifying Micellar water. This has honestly been such a savior, especially because I like to come from the gym and then get to my work and all of that. This is actually more than just a micellar water. So as you can see, I actually don't have any makeup on my face and I'm still going to be using this because this actually cleanses your face and removes like dust, pollution, makeup, all kinds of murk that is just sitting on your face. So I have my little cotton pad right here. I'm just going to take a couple of drops of this on my pad. And I'm in such a rush that I don't even have time to sit, and that's why I'm doing this video standing.
Cleansing your skin is the first and the most important step in any skincare, because only when you have a clean canvas will all the other ingredients that you put on top will do its magic. So that is why I like using this purifying crystal micellar water. It literally removes all impurities from deep within my skin, and this performs as a cleansing magnet. I have been using this for the past 2 weeks and it actually says that you can see visible results in 8 days, and I am currently loving the results that it is giving me.
This honestly is actually great for when, like I said, you're on the go and you don't want to spend too much time like washing your face with like soap and cleanser and all of that. So the great thing is that it does not leave any kind of oily residue. Like you can see, I don't have any oily residue on my skin, and for me that was like a major thing. A lot of micellar waters, they have like that oil and the micellar water like separated, but in this, as you can see, like this is just one clear solution. I like putting it all over my face and use it as a cleanser to cleanse my face, and especially after the gym, my face is like a sweat ball. I'm not even kidding you. My face is such a sweat ball. It really needs some TLC because, I mean, let's be honest, like gym is a place that you sweat a lot, like a lot. And knowing me, I sweat a lot. So yeah, that is why I first go in with this, and after this, I don't think I even need to tell you how much I love this next product. I think this is like the 564th bottle. Okay, I'm kidding. But this is definitely like the 4th bottle or so of this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence that I have been using. I have not been able to put this thing down, or I don't even know if there is anything else like this in the market. Anything which is exactly like a dupe for this. I just don't know, because there is nothing else that I have seen which comes anywhere even close to this. This is life changing. I'm not going to stop talking about it. So yeah, if it's annoying, I'm sorry, but this has changed my life. So of course, now once we are done with the cleansing with the micellar water, we are going to give nourish and care with the Crystal Micro Essence, and I don't even have to tell you how much I love it. It goes 10 layers deep into your skin, and it has salicylic acid.
Salicylic acid is great for oily, acne-prone skin because it actually accelerates skin renewal and mildly exfoliates your skin,
Which is great because you guys know I have acne prone skin, and it has really helped me so much. And I know I've been talking about this constantly, but it is because I have seen such a big difference. I will not be talking about this unless I actually saw the difference, and this product has, I mean, it's changed my life. And because I fell in love with this so much, I actually got their sheet mask as well. So whenever I feel like my skin is like super dry, especially now in the monsoons, I feel like my skin gets really dry, like the humidity is just too much. So that is when I like to kind of wear these sheet masks when I have a little more time on my hands, just to kind of give my face a little pick me up. And even like I'm literally down to my last 2 sheet masks. I have to order more whenever I am like kind of feeling like my skin needs a little boost. So yeah, this is kind of my skincare routine. I'm just going to quickly moisturize my skin, and I'm going to put some makeup on, and I will see you later. Ta-da! So I'm back with a little bit of makeup and all of that good stuff on my face. I just took a really nice long shower and washed my hair, and I'm feeling so nice. And I feel like once I have my skincare and everything done, I just feel a lot more pumped to get on with the day and, you know, do 50,000 things. So now I have to film a bunch of things, and I also need to edit some reels and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to start my day, and definitely check out the Loreal Paris Micellar water. The great part is that it actually comes in 2 sizes,
95 ml for $2.99 and 400 ml for $8.99, which is very affordable.
and the Crystal Micro Essence
Is available in 3 sizes: 22 ml, 65 ml, and 130 ml.
The Crystal Micro Essence has been my go-to ever since it launched. Literally, it's been more than a good 6-7 months that I've been using it, and I haven't found a replacement for it till now. So it has really changed my acne prone skin. So that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.